Welcome to the best picks. The best CH510 key is probably one of the most versatile and popular keys on the market, suitable for a wide range of applications, from simple home locks to more complex security systems. This video will provide an in-depth review, helping you decide if the CH510 key is the right choice for your specific needs, considering factors such as its compatibility, durability, and overall value for money. We'll explore its features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. SafeCo keys for toolboxes. Protecting your valuable tools is easy with these high-quality keys. They're designed for a perfect fit and reliable security. These keys work seamlessly with Delta, Brute, and Northern toolboxes. Make sure to check the model number for compatibility. This key set covers a wide range of popular toolbox models. Find the right key for your specific box. You'll receive 2 identical keys for added convenience and security. Keep one as a spare, just in case. These keys are made to last, providing years of reliable service. They're built to withstand daily use. Simply insert the key and turn to lock or unlock your toolbox. It's that simple. What we like. It works perfectly for Delta, Brute, and Northern toolboxes. If you need a key for these specific brands, this is the one for you. Its compatibility makes it a great choice for those who own these toolboxes. What people say. Worked for my Tractor Supply toolbox with the same code stamped into the lock. The key went in smoothly, and immediately unlocked the box. These keys worked great and were a much more affordable solution. Number 4. Cut key code CH510 REPL lock. This lock provides reliable security for your RV compartments. It's built to last and comes with 2 keys for convenient access. It features a sleek, modern design that complements your RV's style. The durable metal construction ensures long-lasting performance. You'll receive 2 identical keys with your lock, providing you with spares for peace of mind. It's designed to fit standard RV compartments with the CH510 key code. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. This lock offers the quality and style you expect from original equipment manufacturers. It's made to withstand the rigors of RV use. Keep your valuable belongings safe and secure with this reliable lock, specifically designed for RV compartments. What we like. This key boasts an OEM style and durable metal construction. If you value quality and convenience, and need 2 keys, this option is perfect for you. It's ideal for those seeking a reliable replacement key for their RV compartments. What people say. The fit is good. Some low-quality ones will hang up and not enter smooth. These keys aren't those. Work good and smooth. Worked perfect. My husband needed extra keys for his Northern Tools toolbox. Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware could not make a copy because these keys are small. When we called Northern Tools, they were no help at all. Seen these and decided to try them and they worked. Number 3. UWS CH510 REPL Key. This is the UWS CH510 REPL Key, a replacement key shell for your vehicle. It's designed for easy installation and a perfect fit. It's an automotive key shell, meaning it's the outer casing for your car key. You'll need to transfer your existing electronics. The package includes 1 key shell. It's compact and ready for immediate use. Its small size makes it easy to store and handle. The dimensions are 0.508 cm L x 6.35 cm W x 7.112 cm H. It's designed for a simple installation process. You can quickly replace your old key shell with this one. What we like. It's a simple automotive key shell, sold individually. If you only need 1 replacement key shell for your automotive application, this is a cost-effective choice. It's perfect for those who need a basic replacement and don't need extra keys. What people say. It worked great, locked and unlocked the cabinet. Works great and is a perfect match. Number 2. Keys 22 CH510 Replacement Keys. These are replacement keys for CH510 locks. They're cut to your specific code by our expert staff. Each key is precisely cut to match your lock's unique code. This ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance. Our expert team performs a thorough multi-layer inspection on each key. This guarantees the highest quality and precision. These keys are cut by Keys 22's professional staff, ensuring accuracy and a perfect fit for your lock. It's the perfect replacement for your worn or lost CH510 key. Get back to secure access quickly and easily. This key is ideal for your toolbox, offering the same quality and precision as the original. It's cut to your exact specifications. Please note that these keys are not compatible with Delta locks. Ensure you have the correct key code before ordering. What we like. This key is cut to your specific code by professionals and undergoes a multi-layer inspection. If precision and quality assurance are your priorities, this is the best option. It's ideal for those who want a perfectly fitting key without any hassle. What people say. Ordered to replace keys to an old truck box and they have worked just fine. Bought a lock box, but there was no key. These fit the lock perfectly. Far better than having a custom key cut. I ordered a set of keys for my toolboxes from another supplier on here and they didn't work on either box. These worked perfectly with no issues at all. They were for CH510 locks. Number 1. CH510 Key. This is the CH510 Key. It's a single key, perfect for replacing a lost or broken one. It is made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. You can rely on it for years to come. Replacing your old key is simple. Just insert it and you're ready to go. It comes in convenient packaging, protecting it from damage during shipping and storage. This is the ideal replacement for your lost or broken key. Get yours today. Don't let a broken key slow you down. This key provides a simple and effective solution. What we like. It's a straightforward, single CH510 key. If you just need one replacement key and don't require any additional features, this is the most economical choice. It's perfect for those who need a simple, functional replacement. What people say. Key fit perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.